Hey guys, this is Todd at Evolution Power Sports, and today we're here to talk about some new Sea-Doo parts that we've developed. This is a brand new 2024 Sea-Doo 325, and we've developed a catch can setup for this model. This catch can actually will work on a 230 and 300 and 325. This is a catch can that we've been using in the off-road world for the past 8 years or so. And it's CNC machined out of billet aluminum. It's made here in the US. We've got stainless steel brackets that hold it in place. We've got a silicone formed breather hose that connects to the factory crankcase vent. There's also a stainless port. And this is a complete kit for the 230, 300, 325. This is a good way to eliminate crankcase vent vapors going into your intake system for improved performance. Check out the catch can as well as many new Sea-Doo products we have on our website, evopowersports.com.